In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate processes in Wrike. We'll cover where automation lives, how to browse templates, and how to start a rule that keeps work moving without manual effort. First, open Wrike. From the left sidebar, head to Spaces. Automation is configured at the space level, so choose the space where your team's projects live. On the Space Overview page, look toward the top for the Settings gear. That's your entry point to space settings. Click it to open the control panel for this space. Inside Space Settings, select the Automation section. Think of this as your hub for rules that watch for events and perform follow-up actions for you. To add one, choose the option to create a rule. Wrike takes you to the Templates gallery, which streamlines setup and helps you follow best practices. Use the All Templates view to see every available option, or switch to Recommended to focus on the most common and effective starters. Recommended is a great place to begin because the scenarios are clear, practical, and easy to adapt to different teams. You can also browse by feature categories to quickly find what you need. Reminders and @mentions includes templates that automatically nudge assignees or stakeholders when something changes. Perfect for keeping tasks from stalling. Workflows groups templates tied to status changes, so actions can fire the instant a task moves forward. Custom fields and many more highlights templates that read and react to your team's unique data, like priority or effort, ensuring updates stay structured and consistent as work evolves. If you don't see an exact match, look for the custom rule option. This lets you start from a blank canvas and shape the logic around the specific signals and outcomes your team cares about, while still using the same straightforward creation flow as the templates. When you've identified the template that does what you need, click the one you want to open its details. Review the summary so you're clear on what the rule will monitor and what it will do. If it aligns with your process and space, click Create. Wrike will open the rule setup so you can confirm the template settings for your context and finalize it confidently. That's the path. Open your space, go to Automation, explore all templates or the recommended set, check categories like reminders and @mentions and workflows and custom fields, pick the option that fits, and click Create to put your automation to work.